Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to modify Acura Integra, updated. Start by deciding whether you want track performance, street reliability, or a clean show car and list priorities. Inspect the drivetrain, suspension, brakes, and body for hidden issues that affect upgrades. Research compatible parts and local regulations before purchasing. Build a phased plan that balances cost and function, and keep a log of modifications and receipts for future reference. Focus engine upgrades on reliable gains and drivability while keeping emissions in mind. Start with intake and exhaust improvements, then add a performance header and a high-flow catalytic converter or test pipe, depending on local laws. Invest in a quality ECU tune tailored to your upgrades to optimize fuel maps and timing. Use reliable sensors and upgraded cooling if you increase boost or fueling to protect the engine. Chassis upgrades transform how the Integra feels and responds on road or track. Start with adjustable coilovers to tailor ride height and damping, then pair them with reinforced bushings for consistent geometry. Upgrade brakes to larger rotors and better calipers to match increased power, and use stainless steel brake lines for firm pedal feel. Add strut bars and selective reinforcement to reduce flex and improve steering precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.